There's Ben, the man, lead supervisor at KTA. But who's the fastest chef?
Oh, this guy right here, the man with the pan.
Okay, big shout out to the man and Ben.
Come KTA, we hook you up.
I went to eel processing company. I went to see my friend Cowboy Cowgirl, Jamie and Boots. Wanted to show them that you don't have to use a cast iron pan, but you can cook it in the man and the pan. Hey, welcome to the man and the pan. Today we had this most amazing place. We're at eel processing company. We got Boots over here, the famous cowboy from Kau'u. And we got Jamie here, the famous cowgirl. And you know, eel processing company, they do local beef. And it's just local beef. He raises the beef, he slaughters it, and they sell it at KTA. We got the thing cooking over here. What she did was to cook it in butter.
Hawaiian salt and rosemary.
That's all. Butter, Hawaiian salt, and rosemary.
Correct.
And of course, inside this beautiful pan.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
So this meat here is super extra soft. You guys also grate it, right?
Correct.
I think the beef that we will cook today is like almost like on prime grade. I saw
grade.
all of the marbling and everything inside.
Yes.
So Boots is the one who raised all of these. Right, Boots?
Yes, sir.
And your whole family from Kau'u. You guys been cowboys from generations, right?
Family, friends, yep.
Okay. So tell me why your beef is better than all the other beef.
All natural grass-fed. They're on the Big Island. Finishing them the proper way.
Wow. So how you learn all that kind of stuff?
Passed down generation.
Jamie, come on. Tell me what you did, okay?
Melted the butter.
Okay.
And then you put your Hawaiian salt and your rosemary onto your steak. And then you put it in the pan.
Yeah, and then you kind of like turn it over.
You flip it, yes.
Wow.
So that it cooks evenly on both sides.
Okay. It's finished.
It's almost finished.
Okay, almost finished. So what? Who's gonna cut the meat? You.
He's gonna cut the meat.
Oh, that's a man's job.
That's a man's job.
Okay, we got Boots, the meat cutter. Okay, he's gonna cut the meat.
Tell me when.
Look at her lovely cowgirl hands, like turning over the steak so gracefully. Instead of roping the cattle. Oh, done.
Done.
Okay. Put it on the table. Okay. Okay, let's see. Boots cut the meat over here. Oh, you notice how Boots turn around. He don't go with the hand. You see, he go with the tongue. Cut in. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at it. You know what? It's perfect. Just the way I want them. Perfect. Okay? Let me taste some. Come on. Okay, here we go, man. Oh, man. The burger is really soft. Oh, it's so unbelievable.
100%
No.
natural grass-fed.
The problem with this, once you eat one, you cannot stop. Unbelievable. Jamie and Boots, we say aloha. Come on, Big Shaka.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Awesome. So we'll see you next week for another Man in the Pan. Aloha.